hi. Today we are going to discuss for our second video, which is the first gadget that we have choose, which is the laptop. But before that, let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Nurul Ain Syafiqah binti Azam, and my metric number is X568.
Hi, I'm Iman Fatihah binti Nur Azmi, matrix number EX03565.
Um,
Nandini?
Hi, my name is Nandini daughter of Gunasagaran. My metric number is EX03648.
Okay, so for our second video, we are going to discuss about one of the gadgets that we have that have stated in our first video, which is a laptop. So people have embraced the laptop because of the technological tools they offer combined with their portability. So not only are they becoming more popular for home use, but many schools are starting to incorporate them into their classroom as well. So it is more useful as we are now still fighting with the pandemic, and even we as the university students learn through virtual, and this gadget which laptop really help us in doing that. So why I think that this gadget is useful nowadays. So the first one is that it's more efficient in note taking. So taking notes by hand can be time consuming, and it is taxing on our hands. So when we have laptops, we can type our notes directly into the document, and it is both faster and also more effective. So digital note taking allow us as the students to index and also to organize our study material automatically. It also can help us in quickly search for the information by just key in any words or the keywords that related to the information, and it also can help us in share notes to our friends easily. So digital notes can be stored and backup, so they are not lost, unlike the paper notes that which may become destroyed or we can lose it. And notes can also with by using the laptop, notes can then be accessed at any time and at any place, since the laptop is portable devices. So the second advantage of this laptop is that it's more options for writing and also editing. So laptops can help us as students writing papers more easily as well. So typing can make the writing process go faster, and the tools in the word processing software make it easier for us to edit our work. So by writing on the laptop instead of a desktop computer, so we can work at home, in the library, or during work time in class. So according to the National Writing Project, so 80% of students in the project said that they would rather use their laptop to do their work, and were likely to edit their work using their laptop. And 75% said that laptops help them to be better organized, while 70% of them said that laptops help them improve the quality of their work. So that's why by using the laptop, it gives more options in editing and also in writing. So the third advantage of using the laptop is that it is accessibility and also it has the connectivity. So one of the biggest advantages for me that laptop can give is that they allow us to access information wherever we can get an internet connection. So with most places nowadays offering free Wi-Fi, even in the bus, in a Selangor bus, even um, just in any case that we go nowadays, getting an internet connection is easier. Accessibility allow us to study whenever we have the time, and uh, it also enable us to get greater access to notes and also the educational tools like education program or any websites, any videos that can improve our performance in the classroom. So that's why I think laptop is one of the gadget that's useful for us as a student. So how about you, Iman?
For me, I agree with everything that you said, but users often ask they should whether they should use laptop or a desktop. For someone who needs it to be mobile, for example, college students, um, we sorry, college student, they need it to be mobile, so they need it to be easy to carry everywhere and to use it everywhere. Just like I said about Wi-Fi connections and all. Although laptop has a few limitations. Number one is laptops are generally, this one is I'm comparing this to desktop. So laptop generally have smaller capacities than desktops of the same relative cost, because laptop is much pricey. And then they have laptop has smaller screens and keyboards than desktops. And then laptop repairs are much more difficult and will require at least 48 hours turnaround time if the machine must be sent to a repair center. So it means that temporary placement laptops come with standard productivity software and cannot be reloaded with specific software for each employee. So employee or student. So anyone, be it employees or student who request a laptop recognized, this is as inherent risk. And then number three, laptops are harder or in some cases impossible to upgrade, like memory. You know how long software took to update, right? On laptop, you have to restart your laptop and all. For me, it's kind of a bummer because it's gonna cost me my work that I've done. And then laptops are more vulnerable because they can be theft and stolen just like that. And then the laptops have more technical skills to operate than the desktops, just like power management issues, connectivity issues, like connecting to other devices such as printers, projectors, that kind of thing that I always encounter because it's always a problem when connecting to the printer. And then drivers, like a hard drive or a pen drive, they're hard to cooperate. And then cables and connecting to the outside networks. It may require your configuration skills, but overall, I think laptop is useful. Just you have to know how to choose it, what kind of requirement that you need, what kind of work do you do to have certain specific software in your laptop. So I think that's it. So Nandini, what do you think? Oh, you're muting.
Hi, okay. I want to talk about the advantage of the laptop. Okay, if we see the laptop, much importance and also the disadvantage also we could find. Okay, the first should be the mobility. The main advantage of the laptop comparison with the stationary computer is a mobility, because the laptop is a lightweight, compact size, and the battery is allowing it to easily move from one place to another. Okay, if we compare to desktop, the desktop we cannot move uh, as per our wish lah, because that one must connect with the PC and the monitor all, so it will quite difficult to us move it. If we use the laptop, it will be much easier for us, even though in the traveling also we can use the laptop. Okay, the finishing product of the laptop, without any additional device, it has everything such as own keyboard, the built-in mouse as a touchpad, speakers, microphone, and also the camera option with both sides of the laptop cover. Okay, if we talk about the disadvantage, they got a sensitive in our laptops. Like example, if we compare with computers, that's the easier damage to our laptop. It's uncommon for a laptop to drop fall with rain, sit, or an extra luck. So the breakdown of the device can make us the repair the portable computers more expensive to change, and then it will broke something else. So the unpredictable battery also is a disadvantage. When we using in our traveling time, if suddenly the battery is finished, so it's been gone. So we could not save the entire documents also, it will be gone. So it's the part of the disadvantage. And if we compare with laptops and desktop, it comes making a choice of laptop and desktop. We need to consider several important factors and make a decision according to our needs as the advantage and disadvantage of using the laptops and the desktop. So the portability of the laptop are highly portable, and the compact size is visual, and also it's easy for us to carry case as a backpack, and also highly convenient device that can carry even while traveling. In one other hand, we can say that desktop computers comes in large size. They are assembled from multiple components. Possible to take this desktop computer from one place to another. The overall process is quite burdensome, specially designed to be used on location rather than constantly moving them from one place to another. The dimension of the weight of the laptop is 2 to 3 kg, thereby making it easy for us to carry even in one hand. But the desktop is a bulky appearance and you cannot even carry them in both ends, because the slimmer than desktop computers keep them even in a high congested place. If we comparison about the desktop and laptop, the information are at our fingertips, like the benefit of the laptop over desktop computers, and unlimited information at our fingertips. Traveling from home to office, so it requires a laptop to get hold all of your vital information from a place of your choice. You can switch on your system and get access to your data even in the internet using laptops. If we compare the cost based on the desktop and the laptop, it's not much same, but even though it's different and the lighter weight, also the prices are same also. And the screen size is a CPU connected projector, larger screen to enjoy a viewing experience. Easily to maintain the desktop. Repairing your desktop computer is quite easy as most of the replacement parts are easily available in local computer shops. In that case, laptops opening your device for repair quite a task. Replacement part of the laptops can be purchased only from the manufacturer or any other online platform. Significant amount of money and time from your side. So that's all from me. Thank you.
I think that's all from us for the Lex 2063 second video. So bye.
All right. Okay, thank you.
Thank you
Okay,
everyone.
thank you. Bye.